Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel all you can books subscription. Okay, so if you have taken any subscription on this platform by mistake, or if you have used any trial method and after your trial end they will activate subscription on your account, and they are using this model and they are deducting money from your account, so how you can cancel. So basically I have already done this video, like you can see, a year ago, and there is some complaints like this method is not working right now, or so that's why I'm going to update this method so you can use this method and you can also cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you there is no other way to cancel your subscription. You have to use only this option, like this is the link. I will provide you this link in our video description box, or you can see this link. You have to use your laptop, you have to use your desktop, and you can visit on this link like http://allyoucanbooks.com/cancel. Once you visit on this page, you need to log in into your account and you can cancel your subscription only by using this link. There is no other method available online. There is no other method available on their website by which you can cancel your subscription. If anyone knows how to cancel, please mention this thing in our video description box or in our video comment section box. Your help, your contribution is very helpful for other people's also. Okay, so this is the thing. Now please make a comment what type of problem you are facing on this platform, so your comment is also a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.